Hi everybody, I'm welcome. I'm going to read you 3 more haiku from Ken. I might be finding a format that works here. So 3 more haiku, and maybe take a moment to arrive in your body as I speak and in the short pause before I read them. Beneath the Lord's table, the quiet witness of a maidenhair fern. I'll read that again. Beneath the Lord's table, a quiet witness of a maidenhair fern. On time, his usual train, her usual kiss. Studying her worn slippers, the latest in a long marriage. It's really beautiful. Have a lovely day.